Hi everybody, it's Amber here and welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from an interview with Mac. It was one of those interviews that was a meet and greet. Like I applied online and they sent me an email and said come to the store. So I was assuming that it was going to be a bunch of people and I was right. When I got to this store, there was 30 plus people in line. I waited over 2 hours to be interviewed. And there were two ladies doing interviews. It was the lady that emailed me was the main lady that was doing the interviews, and there was somebody else that was helping her. I shouldn't have worn heels. Can we just pause real quick and talk about my nails? Yes! Can you see how cute they are? I'm having a hard time deciding on what I want to do next. So any advice you have, drop that down in the comment section because I have been just looking online for different ideas, but I don't really want to copy somebody. I want to be creative, so I'm trying to just get inspiration. If you hear this random buzzing noise, my neighbor decided now was the time to mow the lawn. When I get my stuff ready to sit down and film, but can he come mow my lawn? So for those of you who are new, I just moved to Atlanta, Georgia from Virginia. It is busy as hell down here. A 30-minute trip takes me an hour and a half. So today's video, I ordered the Kim Kardashian liquid lipsticks that she has with Kylie's brand. So are we ready to unbox these and do a little review? So stick around. All right, so first things first. Open her up. This is cute. I don't know. I'm just as big on packaging as the actual product. I mean, it could be boring ass packaging. If it doesn't like grab my attention, I might not notice it. So packaging is a big deal to me. So it comes in a bubble wrapper. All right, let me stop. This is KKW by Kylie Cosmetics. The Creme liquid lipsticks. You get 4 colors in them: Kimberly, Kim, Kiki, and Kimmy. I think my oven is burning. I'm cooking some cinnamon rolls and I think that smell that I smell is not good. I'll be right back. Alright, false alarm. No fire. Let's get back into this review. Alright, so the liquid lipsticks are down at the very bottom. They are $45. I mean, the shades are really pretty. Alright, so it's like a little slide box. I like the packaging of it. Again, the packaging. It's frosted glass. Let's take off this lippy that I have. Color I'm wearing right now is Mac. It's called Brave. It's really pretty. It's like a satin finish. And it smells amazing. It's like a cake or something. I don't know. I can't pinpoint it. Why don't I just put more on if I'm taking it off? I took my foundation off though. Fixed. Let's go in order here. First, I'm gonna try Kimberly. Now this says Kimberly is a true nude. This says the KKW Creme liquid lipstick has a sheer to medium coverage that can be built based on your desired lip intensity. The unique cream formula contains moisturizing and hydrating ingredients that glide on for a luxurious and creamy finish. Gives a natural sheen while feeling ultra lightweight on the lips. All right, let's try out this true nude. This might be a little bit too nude for me. I don't know how I feel about it, y'all. It doesn't smell like Kylie's liquid lipsticks. You know how hers smells like cupcakes? I mean, it's definitely pretty. Let's look in the monitor. Can you tell? It's a nude. It is a nude. I just don't know if it's the nude for me. It's creamy. It's not like Kylie's Velvet formula. And the next contestant on Price is Right is Kim. Now Kim is supposed to be a peachy nude. Let's take Kimberly off. This is pretty. It's kind of in the same color family as Kimberly. You know, clearly I'm doing rough swatches for you guys right now because I'm just gonna take it right off. These are definitely not full coverage, but again, they don't claim to be. They claim to be a sheer to medium coverage. So if you're looking for full coverage liquid lipstick, this ain't it. But they are pretty. They feel nice, they're not drying. It's kind of on the more orange side, which I tend to not gravitate to. Y'all, my timer just went off. Alright, so the next color, this one's called Kiki. And Kiki is a pinky nude. Has anybody tried out the KKW contour sticks? Or like the powder? I want to try them, but they're kind of on the pricier side. I'm like a full-on makeup addict. I need a freaking intervention. Alright, Kiki. What was this again? Kiki is a pinky nude. Who's she bright? Shine bright like a diamond. Can y'all not start today? Every time I sit down to film. Every time. Alright, Kiki. Let's talk, Kiki. I just don't love it on me. They're all very bright, and I kind of tend to go towards more mauve colors, purple tones, darker pinks. Like these are all the lippies that I have, and you can see they're all kind of on the more mauve toned. Alright, let's try the last one. I got high hopes for you, Kimmy. Kimmy claims to be a deep nude. In case you're wondering why I'm looking over here is my mirror, over here is my monitor, and right there is the camera. So I got 3 different places to focus. I'm trying to look over here to make sure I am in focus, over here to do the work. This is Kimmy, and we said it was a deep nude. This is more my color. The other 3 are very bright and pink. Yes. Thank you, Kim Kardashian West. I like this color. It still has a little orange tone to it, but I don't mind it. Gotta stay hydrated, y'all. We could add some more blush to this life. All right, guys. So here is my tea on KKW. I think these are all really pretty. I don't think you guys want to know the acrobatic moves that had to go on for me to bend down and get that. The way my vanity is set up, it's like facing my bed, and there's like this much room to walk through, so I have to like climb over the bed. It's fun times. These are all really pretty colors. The formula feels really good. It's not drying. It's creamy, and they are cream liquid lipsticks. If you are interested in these on the site, they look a lot different. This one is the one on my lips. It is pretty similar. These 2 were a lot more orange on my lips than in this picture. See, this color, I think it is Kimberly was the first one we tried on. This is more on the nude side, and it came off very orange on me. Every skin tone is going to show the product as a different color. Just keep that in mind when you're looking at them. Do your research, because they're not cheap. They are $45, and she does not sell them separately. The last color, I don't know her name. Kimmy. Kimmy will probably be my go-to color. Don't judge me. You're getting cold. I mean, is it 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm eating breakfast cinnamon roll? Absolutely. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. If you have these lipsticks, what do you think of them? Like I said, if you have the contour sticks, let me know how they are, because I have been dying to get them. I just haven't thought it was necessary because I have a contour palette that I have from Sephora. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload videos. If you guys have any recommendations on something that you think I should review or you want a tutorial on, let me know in the comment section and I will try my hardest to get that out to you guys, because I definitely want to cater to you guys. You guys are here to watch me. You want my opinion of stuff. So I want to go through and do things that you are interested in. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, I'm going to go finish my cinnamon rolls before they get super cold. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!